Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today again I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in NIT Bhopal. They have given notification for recruitment on faculty position for assistant professor grade 2 on contract basis, assistant professor grade 2 on contract basis in different grade pay, then assistant professor grade 1 for grade pay. Entry pay 1 lakh 1500 and grade pay 8000 and assistant professor grade 2 they have entry pay 17,900 and annual grade pay 6000 and assistant professor grade 2 they have entry pay 3100 and annual grade pay 7000. Total vacancy current vacancy total post 80, in that 32 post for unreserved, OBC 22 post, SC 13, ST 6, EWS 7 and PWD 3 vacancy. These have some backlog vacancy also that have total 27, in that OBC 9, SC 9, ST 9 and PWD total 5. Horizontal across category. Total net vacancy of PWD will be adjusted against current as well as backlog vacancy as per section 34 of Right of PWD Act. Then after that the important information are these are the specialization civil, they required a specialization surveying and geodesy. For electrical engineering, a specialization required power system market and economics, power electronics and drives, instrumentation and control. Then mechanical engineering, a specialization where vacancy exists and required specialization. Mechanical, experimental and or theoretical analysis of linear or non-linear vibration of machine components. Then rotor dynamics. For electronics and communication, they require specialization embedded system, linear integrated circuit, computer architecture and organization, wireless communication, operating system, multi-rate signal processing, data compression and cryptography, detection and estimation theory, nanotechnology. Likewise, they require different specialization, so you keep check on that. Essential qualification required: PhD in relevant discipline with mathematics at graduation level and for essential qualification for Department of Mathematics, Bioinformatics and Computer Application, they require essential qualification PhD in relevant discipline with mathematics at graduation level and MSc or MS or MA in mathematics. Faculty for Computer Application, PhD in relevant discipline with BSc, BSc Honors or BC or VIT of minimum 3 years, full-time degree from recognized university in relevant discipline, and MCA minimum 3 years or MTech, CSc or IT from recognized university. Essential qualification for Center of Artificial Intelligence, BTech, any branch, MTech Artificial Intelligence or CSc or IT and PhD in area of specialization related to AI. Then for Center of Excellence in Product Design and Smart Manufacturing, they required BTech Mechanical or Smart Manufacturing or Bachelor of Design. Then MTech Artificial Intelligence, Robotics, Mechatronics, Automation, Computer Aided Design, Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Artificial Intelligence in Robotics, Micro Manufacturing and PhD in relevant areas of specialization related to a smart manufacturing field. Then for different areas required. Then how to apply. Application has to be made in prescribed format along enclosed herewith. The application can be either filled in candidate own handwriting or can be typed in by downloading the word processor file separately uploaded with advertisement. Application fee total 1200 will be they will take for unreserved and OBC category, and for others it is not mentioned. The fee can be paid belonging to unreserved OBC. You have to pay the application fee total 1200. Candidate belong to SC, ST or PWD and women are exempted from application fee. Candidate will require to submit separate application form for each post with separate application fee. Means if you want to apply in multiple posts, then you have to fill separate form for that. Vacancy detail: they may increase or decrease the total vacancy, or the number of vacancy advertised is merely an indication of existing vacancy. The institute reserves all right to fill or not to fill or increase or decrease any number of posts. Shortlisted and eligibility criteria: In case of you will be shortlisted based on your academic qualification. After that, depending on the number of application, they will reserve the right to set higher norms for a scrutiny than minimum prescribed norms, or to conduct a written examination for shortlisting of candidate. The area of specialization and post level applied for will be taken into account while shortlisting. Due consideration shall be given to the requirement of individual department. In addition, shortlisting criteria may vary for different posts, intra-department and inter-department, as per a specific requirement of each department. Serving regular faculty members shall be eligible to apply for higher position in their own department, irrespective of their specialization, if they satisfy other advertised criteria. Selection process: institute reserves the right to cancel or restrict or enlarge or modify or alter the recruitment process if need arises without issuing any further notice or assigning any reason. Therefore, it is mandatory for candidate to appear in the person for written test or technical presentation and interview. You must have provide your working email ID. All general communication regard with regard will be made through institute website only, and communication addressed to a specific candidate will be by email only. Candidates should check their email, including a spam folder, regularly. No separate intimation will be sent by post or any other mode. Hence, candidates are advised in their own interest to provide their working email ID and to whitelist the email ID recruitment@manit.in, so that communication from institute doesn't end up in the spam folder. Schedule of written test or presentation of shortly will be uploaded on the institute website. Applicants are advised to keep visiting the institute website. So these all are the important things you must know. Closing date for application 15 September, and you have your application with supporting documents should reach to the registrar, Manit Bhopal 462003. So to reach the institute by closing date of receipt of application 15 September. The name of post and department must be superscribed. Post applied for assistant professor grade 1, 2, likewise with department clearly on the envelope without fail. So these all are the qualification and other terms and condition of appointment of academic staff. Means for academic staff, these are the requirements, you must fulfill that. So that's all. I think nothing more important. You must download this advertisement and check every point. These all are the things. So that's all about today. So after if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe now and share this information with your friends also who is in the need of jobs. Thank you.